Welcome back to For the Love of Sicily and the big reveal of our vacation rental home, Casa Madonna. So here's the final result. Exterior has been repointed. Nice little borders around the windows and doors. I wanted to make blue the signature color for the house. So you're greeted with this fantastic blue door and this fun tile treatment. The name is Casa Madonna, and so there are little references to Madonna all over. It's all new cabinetry, split unit, air conditioning and heating in this room, a washing machine, dishwasher right there, refrigerator right there, induction cooktop stove. And this is some nice Sicilian decor that we got at antique markets and flea markets. Even this bench we found. I don't know if anyone is familiar with Facebook Marketplace, but they really like to use that here. And we found a lot of nice things from Marketplace as well. So we have some really nice artwork. The beds we brought from the States. We had found some brand new beds and mattresses, queen size, so we brought those. This is a fun chair we found at one of the antique stores. And here's the bright, cheery bathroom, tile work. Chandeliers are from here. This is how you get up to the rooftop terrace, but we'll do that last. So now we're heading down to the middle floor. This is the little storage room that I was talking about. It just holds all of our linens and cleaning supplies and things. This is a picture of our beautiful castle. So this is what we made with the traditional wood ladders that they use here when they do the olive harvest and other fruit harvests. And there's our lovely ancient church up on the hill. Nice seating area. We have a little desk area with a printer. Second floor bathroom. Some more pictures that I've taken here. This is from Palermo. This is from Santo Stefano. This is just when we were out for a walk. And the sea. And this is from Enna up on the hill. This map of Sicily we found at an antique thrift store. And some more pictures. This is a pull-out sofa. Turns into a full-size bed. Another really fun find from here. And so the shelving unit divides the two spaces very nicely, still allows in all the light from outside. And we have a dedicated game area with games in the cabinet here and TV and movies. Now we'll go down to the bottom floor. Through this door is the garage on the lower level. And this is the exposed stone that they discovered when they were working on this room, taking down some of the plaster, and we decided to make it feature. The bed we found at an antique store. This I found on the marketplace. It comes in pieces. So we were able to get it in our van and get it home. This was my father's that he made many, many years ago. Another piece from the marketplace. And again, our view of the ancient church up there. This is the wall that was bumped out. This wall used to go straight that way and then that way, and we created this box, which you saw in all the photographs. And with that, we have a really nice size shower. And these are the steps that were there originally. Just cleaned them up, tiled them, new toilet, and then there was this strange thing here. I don't know exactly what it was, but we created a little vanity area out of it. This is a screen that I painted many, many years ago, and it fits in nicely here. Another piece from the marketplace. Hold some of our linens. The bed was 80 euros. The armoire was 80 euros. And the dresser was 80 euros. So there are some wonderful finds and economical things to be had. We'll head back upstairs. And then this is the doorway that was opened up. In this bathroom, the wall just continued, or not the wall, there wasn't a wall. There was just an angled area here that continued up over the stairwell below. So we walled this up and opened this up for easy access to the rooftop. This door goes up and down with a switch and creates a watertight seal. All of this was created here by our metalsmith guys. All of the railings they did. They fabricated the door. And we have this really nice sink here for when we have parties, hot and cold water. We made this table, but it needs a fresh coat of paint. And there's our view. Metal guys also made this pergola for us. And it's amazing in the summer the difference it makes having that. Anyway, so this is Casa Madonna. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for our next video series where we find and renovate our new house in the country. We hope you'll join us.